Hello student, welcome back to Krishna classes. Today's topic is extraction of metals according to their position in activity series. First is the low series metal extraction. It means extraction of such a metal which are found in low in series. So these metals are unreactive which are found in low in series. Which metal are found in low in series? That metals are unreactive. So here Hgs is the Cinnabar. Cinnabar is the ore of the Hg, mercury. So when Cinnabar react with oxygen in the presence of heat, they found mercury oxide plus sulfur dioxide. Again mercury oxide on heating process give mercury. Mercury is separated here. So you can say that mercury is separated from mercury oxide and mercury oxide is formed by the process of Cinnabar when react with air or oxygen. So this is the low series metal extraction. Now come on the next point, middle series metal extraction. So like the metals which are found in middle in the activity series like iron, zinc, copper, lead, etc. They are moderatively reactive. So by the roasting and calcination, we can easily extract the middle series metals. So what is the roasting process? Like zinc sulfide react with oxygen on heating process, then give zinc oxide. So this is the calcination. Here zinc oxide is formed. Here zinc oxide is formed, 2ZnO plus sulfur dioxide. And what is the calcination? When zinc carbonate on heating process give zinc oxide. It means in both reaction we found zinc oxide in roasting as well as in calcination. So what happened again? Zinc oxide, we take zinc oxide here and react with carbon. And what is formed? Zinc is separated and carbon dioxide is releases. So by the roasting and calcination process, first we found the zinc oxide. When we found zinc oxide, then zinc oxide again react with carbon and form zinc separated and carbon dioxide. So this is the middle series metal extraction. Now come on the last topic, top series metal extraction. It means extraction of such a metals which are found in top of the series. Okay, so you know very well, I described in my previous video reactivity series and what is the top elements and bottom elements, middle elements. So for the knowledge of all previous topic and chapter 1 and 2 also, you can watch my previous videos which are available on my channel Krishna classes on YouTube. You can subscribe my channel for all chapters of class 10 science, and my all classes are free from my all students. So what is the top series metal extraction? These metals are very reactive, you know very well. The metals which are found in top of the series, they are very reactive. We cannot find out them in free state. So they are very reactive by the process of electrolysis. By the process of electrolysis of their molten state. I described also in my previous video, electrolysis only takes place in the molten state of the metals, molten chlorides. So by the electrolysis of molten chlorides, we separate the metals from their ores. Which metals? Which are present in top of the series, that metal. Okay. So at cathode, what happened? Sodium take up 1 electron and converted into Na. At anode, chlorine releases 2 electron and converted into Cl2. So here we can also easily separated the metal. So this is the today's class. Hope you understand it very well. You can take screenshot also for your memory, and there are so many topics I covered in my previous all videos. So for knowledge of these topics and continuous topic, you can subscribe my channel for knowledge of all topics and click the like button and share to your friends. Thank you. My name is Surbhi. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Krishna classes. Thank you so much.